welcome to The Sound Effect. I'm Scott.
And I'm Jerry.
And on this week's episode, we sync up with Holly Sorensen from the Syncopators.
And we catch up with that son of a gun, Mike Server from Sons of Guns. So let's get started.
Hey, this is Holly Sorensen from the Depot Street Syncopators. We are returning for our third annual Mardi Gras celebration at 10 Depot Street on Tuesday, March 8th. This year's lineup will feature musicians Luke McKern, Roger Barnes, Matt Cooper, John McKinnon, Tone Fetz, Greg Johnson, Trisha Kunkel, as well as many other special guests. The music begins at 8 p.m., so wear your beads and let's celebrate like we're on Bourbon Street.
I've been told it's good for your body and it's good for your soul.
We spent 4 straight days in the basement of the Meridell Center recording 13 tracks. We got them all laid down, and the man with the plan, our producer Brad Kaminsky of Seattle, Washington, is mixing the tracks right now. We don't have a definite date of the album release just yet, but we just got a sample of the first song, Nantucket, and it sounds great. It's so cool to hear these songs fully produced after we've just been playing them in the basement for so long.
You're drinking from the vine, tastes like a wasted time.
When we set out to record the album a few months ago, we really consciously made an effort to stop playing shows for a while just so we could focus on the material, writing and polishing it up. And now we're really excited to be done with the recording, awaiting the arrival of the actual album, and now we're ready to start playing some shows. So keep an eye out for Sons of Guns shows coming up.
After your phone, she had to move downtown,
And we have to say a huge special thanks to all of our Kickstarter backers. We had a whole bunch of people pre-order the album and some other cool stuff, t-shirts and handmade scrapbook of lyrics and all kinds of things that we offered up as incentives. But all these people banded together and pledged $4,000, a little over $4,000 to help us produce the album. So our heartfelt thanks goes out to each and every person for every dollar that got pledged. It just means the world to us, and we're excited to be able to share this album with people because of it.
And this is not a joke. No, it's not a joke.
Thanks for watching The Sound Effect. Check back with us in a couple weeks when we start our new run of episodes.
To stay in the know over the break, remember to check out the community events calendar at legrandlife.com.
And if you want to get in touch with us, drop us a line at thesoundeffect@legrandlife.com. Thanks for watching.